This is going back. 16 bucks. A financial windfall for my account. All right, done a little research. Looks like I'm probably going to have to minimally clean the gas tank because it's just got some funk down in it. For lack of a better way to do it, I got a broomstick handle, shoved it down inside the gas tank from just on the top here, and I pulled it back and it had some like tarry stuff on it and the funk, stuff you don't want to see. I can't really order one that I've found, so I'm gonna try this route first and see what I have to do, but gonna yank this puppy out of here. I did not leave that open all night, I just opened it. So, gonna have to get up under here and yank that. It's gonna be fun, right? I don't really smell anything down under the car. Remember I put the 2 gallons of gas in it last night? Well, I don't smell anything all funky. I've not really looked in this back seat yet. This just totally smells like how a wagon would and should smell. I'm getting up in here. Why would there be an ashtray in here? Little Susie and Johnny? Want to Pall Mall for the road? Or is it Pall Mall? I don't know. I can get up inside this mother when it's on the trailer. In case you guys haven't really seen this. Dude, that right there, that little button you push in. Oh, that brings back my childhood. And this is all padded here. The sides are totally padded. A pillow and a shag green rug. Oh man, I remember this right out of my childhood. That piece right there, you basically lift up on that and the tire's in there. A huge thanks to one of the viewers of the channel. He said, man, make sure you go in there and check the spare tire well because rust gets inside there. You see there's a little bit of like mold type stuff on the side. It's nothing really huge. Not much at all, but the headliner looks fantastic. Got the old house speakers down here. Love the inside of this car. Had a lot of people asking things like, how much is it worth? How much did you get it for? I'm not really gonna go into that with anybody. And I haven't even really considered getting rid of it because I just like it. I dig the crap out of this thing. It's so unbelievably stock in every regard. Every little screw. Just, it's kind of unbelievable. The carpet is unbelievably good. The covers for the seat belts. I think I'm gonna actually hop out of this and move this seat forward. Well, I hit the button over there. Oh, I got a little rip right there. It's kind of weird. This is it's like a vinyl covering. I thought this was a painted surface, but that right there is actually vinyl. Never knew that. Let's see what we got under that. Oh, this is such a cool car. I think that has to be pulled up. That's so cool. Digging my wagon, people. My one missing commuter emblem. I found out these are 225/75 15s, which are an incredibly common size tire for a trailer. But try to find one with a white wall. Hello, Tree 90. By the way, you guys, little trivia question here. What does FE stand for? The 390 engine is in the class of FEs. Ford Edsel. My mom had a 64 Comet that from this angle right here looked a lot like this one. You could tell they were brothers and just a couple years apart. Well, more like cousins. No, it was Mercury Comet. Brothers. Oh man, do I have some stuff to do, and I got to do it quickly. It's supposed to rain in a couple hours. Going to use that tractor to move this trailer and car into the concrete driveway. Got to move this truck, open the gate, The reason I'm doing this is because I'm going to remove the fuel tank from the Mercury commuter wagon, the one owner 67 commuter wagon. Gonna put a fuel pump on it, clean out the fuel tank, put it back in, and drive this thing. Let's get started. Keep dodging thunderstorms and raindrops. I know what you're thinking. No, it's a beautiful... No, it's Florida. Directly behind me is a thunderstorm. And Tampa, I don't know if you guys knew this, but the term itself of Tampa is an old Native American term that basically means sticks of fire, maybe? I got to change out the gas tank on this, which I'm going to do. Probably going to yank it out of there in the morning before the chance of rain increases. But that tank comes out, gets cleaned. The new fuel pump goes under the hood. I'm also, while that gas tank is getting clean, I'm going to hook up a little electric pump with a boat tank up in the front just to let this thing run for a few minutes, kind of catch its breath and come back to the living. And I also have to get a left rear tire over there. It's hard to find a white wall in this 225 75 15. They're all trailer tire sizes. I guess one of those can fit on there for now, but I sure don't want to leave it on there. I'd love to leave white walls on it. I'm also wanting to get your ideas on what kind of hubcaps would look sweet on here. Maybe even rims. But I'd love to know what you guys think. I also may want to check the brakes somewhere in there. Sounds like the right move. You guys, thanks for following along on this journey. I'm having a blast so far.